All right, let's check out the CSS for our hero page. So our it looks like we're doing some full width header padding on the buttons. So normally the button module has padding you can control in the button module, but for some reason the full width header, as of this time, the button in the full width header you do not have padding control over. So we're adding some here just to make it look a little better. And that's what this padding is here that we're adding to button 1 and also button 2, which is, this button here. So we're adding some of that padding there just to do that. All right, so that's what that 8 and 36 is there. And then it looks like we're doing some text align center for some buttons on tablet. So down here on tab, yeah, we're just lining them up for number 2 there, it looks like. Or for the buttons, yep, okay. Outside of that, we don't really have anything until hero number 5, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, this one here. I'm just taking we're using regular sections, so we're setting the section height to be 100 vertical width, so it takes up the whole screen height. And then we're doing on tablet, we're making that column be 100% height, so it fills all the way up to the top there. I think we're doing the same thing with number 6. And that is it for that. So yeah, those are the heroes.